you like that.
What I mean. Well, I'm no Casanova, but I swear this much is true. I'll be holding nothing back when it comes to you. You dream of love that everlasting. Well, baby,
Peganlah.
Apa?
Peganlah.
Itu kan?
Ya.
Saya kan orang muda je. Asal tunggu.
Naked people are totally zen because less time wasted on claims admin means more time meditating. Visit naked.insure now. Get a car insurance quote in 90 seconds and start living like naked people.
Ang punem ko masih pandai. Aku gabung tadi. Can you recall time? You are my, you are sunshine, beautiful flower rising in percentages. What's the food? Apple juice. Why ngathanda ukuposta pho kwisithombe sakho sicela kwi-dump. Angazi, I don't know. I'm good, how are you? Misal? You are my life, you are my sun. Beautiful time, rising in time. I'm so glad, I'm so glad. Good time. I'm really complete. How's your day? My day has been good, sure. It was just a normal day. I'm so glad, I'm so glad. Oshabe nimnganami. Yazi, yazi. ngisho ngichaze. Njani Luthando? Njani aphiwe? Ngiyaphila, good. You are my Incimbi wani? How do you like doing free time? Being with my man. Ngiphuza i-beverage. Guys, I didn't know it was you guys, honestly. And also we had problems. Like personally, I had like a problem. The thing that I wanted to wear was big on me, so I had to go and alter it. Kwashuti, it was gonna be ready the day after, so I couldn't. So I couldn't wear it, so that's why we didn't figure on the day. I'm so sorry, Faith, police. Yeah, hopefully. Like I just went to the toilet a few minutes ago. I love you too. I love you too. Ngimithi nganyabanga songibhedela la. Manje wena. Ngempela usinikuba lo. Hayibo sisi wami, wenzenjani manje? Na guys, no. Guys, I'm not drunk. It's just that I'm tired alone. Hello. Hi, baby. How are you doing? Guys, I'm done. Why? Flash. Awu kahle ngizoflash. Hayibo, kahle nje. Usudile what? Ubala ngiphaphelayo. ngiyakumasha wena ngoba ngathi uphaphe kakhulu wena. Ngibloga nje umuntu ongiphaphelayo mina, ngimfuni nje umuntu ongiqinelayo ngamazi. Suodil. Nishiye kodwa ulapha iphethe yakho. Kade iphethe nje yakho. Kade iphethe yakho. Yazi iyashesha ukuthi kube mnyama. I don't know why, because it's like
Give your best effort.
ngiyakutshela.
And it's 6 o'clock. Blend of vitamins B and D, calcium, magnesium, and
Winter, past 4 or 5.
Central Bank, tailor-made for you.
But like just ukuthi kube ntambama ke, okay.
Akakabi pitch black.
Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.
Ngiyawonga.
Awuzona kabla plan.
Uyazi ufuna ngisuke lapha.
Awuzikala ngawo super. Angilokubeka ngakaso.
I'm sure this one is a famous classic. Ne? Yeah.
Yes.
I'm all for you. And my baby. I will be, I follow you. I follow you. Well on there. I follow you. This time. Mhlawumbe in 3 months time. Because you're gonna be my man.
I'll be a man after 3 months.
No, like it'll be deep. Ne?
Yeah, I'm working.
Cha phela ngithi siyazana manje. Hayi. Angithi phela sisazana manje.
Nasesikalile relationship iyashisa manje.
Kukwena. Ngokwakho. What you doing me bad? 'Cause I'm gonna love you, need you right. I love you. Oh my baby. Uyazi wena fool. Yazi mnganami yazi. My love is true. I need you. In my heart. Image. Why you think I'm going to WhatsApp? Why are you WhatsApp? Why are you going to text the WhatsApp?
Why are you
I'm going to text the WhatsApp.
Why not WhatsApp?
How?
You tell me what?
Oh, no, Mulinda. What you can say?
I feel like you tell me what about.
No, hi. Or send like an emoji or something. Or no, my phone give it WhatsApp. Our phone give it WhatsApp.
No, I never.
Send your logo to
You WhatsApping me now?
No. Mashenge. Yeah, let's. Cha ubulinde ukuthi ngibe sekhaya wena manje angisekho. Angithi
Yes. No, old school.
I love that. Mina yazi ngithandani? Indoda endala.
Sana?
Into dendal.
Ubuye
No, ukuthi like
ajiwa kigani.
ibe ilide, but like in a manly way, you know? Because once I call what my age, yo,
Try new Stimorol Infinity.
Even better.
Our blue raspberry and passion eating love. Experience sweet and tangy anyone choose.
So as no one's laughing. So excited right now. Is it Jack?
yeah, that's what I want.
You know.
Just added paste.
Hey girl, do you know Jack?
No, I'm not saying it's Pilla Wayne, but like both of us.
Smell Jack. What is smell Jack? You know what is smell Jack?
I'm not going to
Got to put it
I'm not saying that you can't do shit. Yeah, but I'm not saying like I see